Yo man, your boy Rimzee, you already know man, right now you're locked into trend or trash. That's meaty man, that's trash. That's trash bro.
You don't see a lot of people jumping on this wave?
Yeah, I don't care bro, that's trash bro. That's trash. You know what it is? I don't know about this brand innit. If that was the LV thing, it could have worked. But it's like you're gonna spend £2.5 on that and it's just plain. Don't make sense. If it had the LV prints on it, it would drop better, you know what I'm saying? This is just a green jacket, yeah, with bare puffs on it, and there's nothing on it.
It's cool. The technique though.
Yeah, but it's not saying that though. See if it was a bit of LV on it, yeah? Just imagine what I'm saying to you. See, this is why I should have been a stylist. You see if there was a bit, listen what I'm saying to you. If there was LV prints on that, you know them LV prints on this, yeah? Bro, this will look crazy because it really gives it that look. It will be better because I can imagine this being an LV thing that will look hard. I can't picture this Bottega or whatever it's called. This is meaty.
You know the big boots up to here? That's Bottega.
I don't wear those boots. Why are you telling me about them boots? Nah, they don't slap. They don't slap. Nah, not in my world.
This
Nah.
is a really good, well-made.
Alhamdulillah, the material might be good, but I don't like this, innit? I don't rate this. I don't rate this. Why are you trying to force this on me? I don't rate this.
I'm just saying.
Nah, I don't rate this.
Trash for that one.
Trashed. Oh my days. Come on, my guy. This is ridiculous. This is a Nas X thing still. Yeah. Yeah, Nas X thing. You think this is hard? Nah, I don't know what's going on inside of you, man. This is not hard. This is terrible. But that's the brand. That's not this jeans though.
It's a lifestyle.
Nah, but this is not lifestyle. I would never wear this. You know when I would be wearing this, my guy? If I ever had to run out the country and I'm trying to be someone else, brother, I'll wear this. Because you would never think I'm wearing that. I would never wear this, bro. Never. I'll never wear this. Nah, this is trash, man.
Do you not experiment with that?
Never. Not this style. This we're not even experiment. Look at all the zips, bro. That's a bit booky. You get me? I like this table though, you know, but I'm not paying 70 quid for that though. But this is hard, clean. You know when you got a mad yard, you need to be up for this though. Up. You know what I'm saying? Having a little coffee, but they need a cup on there as well though. They can't give you that for 70 quid with no cup, man. Come on, man. At least a little teacup, so it's just like, you know what I'm saying though?
How up would you need to be to drop 70 on a table though? In your opinion, like,
How up do you need to be?
Yeah.
But I feel like even if you got a meal, this is too much money to be spending on a table, bro. You need to be a multi-millionaire, bro. I'm talking like, but even if I had 5 M's, I wouldn't buy this though. It's still too much money, bro. But I guess it depends though, because look, yeah, if you went somewhere and there's people there with big money in it, and you're trying to make a link, yeah, like you might not be able to talk to them, but when they see you buying this for 70 grand, they're gonna know, yeah, this guy is up. They might talk to you. You get what I'm saying? So you could use this koala as a network, and then boom, off for the VAT. So can go 2 ways still.
But for now, it's trash.
Nah, it's not trash. It's trend. I like it. I just wouldn't spend 70 bags on that though. All the kids have got this. This is trash, man. Trash. Furthermore, this is bait. You know, like feds. Every mandem's got this hat and scarf. Like every mandem. You know what I'm saying? You can't like get in and out. You can't be up to no good wearing this. It's just bait. Everyone's got it. It's not bad, but it's too rinsed, man. It's like the Dior jacket, so I'm gonna say trash.
You got with Louis in general?
Some of them, not all of them. Because if you go too mad on the Louis, you look like a freshie. You know, like Fendi. You know, you wear Fendi, it makes you look like a freshie. So when you go down that brown LV route, it's a bit too freshy, man. You need clean pieces in that. You know what I'm saying?
What do you think about like kids spending that much money on hats and scarves?
It's internet though, innit? Internet, innit? So now, like, even me, how man used to have mad swag and kettles back in the day was because I used to watch older man on YouTube and that. Because man's ends are kind of popped down, so I used to see bare youths like having sick stuff, and that's how I got it. So now in the internet world, everyone's following Meek Mill and everyone, you get me? Everyone knows what's going on, so we're all getting the same things, innit? Dead. Those are dead. They're just dark, innit? It's like, you can't, like, that don't look hard. Unless you're going to one of them 90s parties and you got a cowboy hat and that thing, that's dead, bro. That's dead.
Well, the flare thing that makes it dead, design of it.
Yeah, the flare, and it's just like that where it is in the paint. It's just, I don't really wear black jeans though, man. I don't really wear black jeans like that still, unless they're proper sick, because these are just meaty, bro. These look like D-square jeans with bits at the bottom. You wouldn't even know that's a Mary.
Are you fucking with the flares, bootcut thing or that?
Nah, not like this, bro. This is bigger than me still.
What would they need to be there? I see.
Fitted, but
videos, bro.
but nah, that was telling you, they weren't flares though. They were bootcut. Bootcuts in fashion. See what I'm saying? I was ahead of my time. You see what I'm saying? They brought them back, but this is flares. This is something else. You know what I'm saying? When I was in a can, yeah, obviously before jean True Religion was the thing, innit? And jeans were most I paid for jeans at the time was like $3.50. Then I was in a can, I bought D-square jeans for like $5.90. So when I landed, it's like, bro, I can't wear D-square no more. I was wearing that in can, that's dead. But when you're going up, then it's Balmain. The Balmain's rinse, that was 8 bills. Then Mary's like 9 bills, a quid, 11 bills. Now it's just normal. I go to a shop knowing I'm gonna spend 11 bills on the jeans, normal. You get it? But now it's like, I've got so many Marys, red, blue, orange, black, different kind of black, different material. Ones like this now with nothing in the leg, like I've got every one. It's like, where do I go next? These are trends still. I like these. I want some of these Jordan 3s, you know. I want the Fusion as well.
Big on Jordans.
Now I am, yeah. I never used to be, but I am now. I like, proper like them. You know what it is, bro? I'm initially, at heart, I'm a force guy, innit? Like, I got so many Air Forces. Like, man, just load up bags of forces and just put them outside, like, on the street and shit, and give them to homeless people when I'm done with them. Because, remember, I rock it till it don't look new no more, so that's like 2 wears, and then man's gives it out. You get it? Obviously, in Shoreditch, you're rocking your thing, beat down, it's drip, but I can't wear that. You know what I'm saying? It's embarrassing for me. I just give them away, innit? And then what happened is with forces, man spending too much money on forces because it's just like throwaway trainers, you get me? With Jordans, they last longer. I phone my cleaner guy who'll come pattern them, you get me? So it's like we go again. So what? I don't understand, bro. Gardening, this is trend, innit? When you're up, like that table. This is that, you know, when you're up, they're just buying things for the sake of it when you're a billionaire. But yeah, man, I ain't spending 7 quid on no Dior gardening set, bro. Man ain't doing no gardening, bro. Pay the geezers, they'll come and pattern this up. Even some nitties, they'll pattern up the garden. You know what I'm saying?
You think it's just like
Nah, you know what it is, bro. Remember, these brands are really for rich people anyway. Do you get it? So these are what these men are buying, innit? The men are up and that, you get me? That's why you go on these brands, they're wearing suits and that.
Trend or trash for that one?
It's alright though, you know. I wouldn't buy it, but it's not bad though. So I don't know, I'll go with trend, innit? I'll go with trend. That's dead, man. This doesn't even look real. This looks like, you know, one of them things on Amazon and that, where they're selling them jumpers and that. This doesn't even look real. If a man tried to sell me this, yeah, I wouldn't buy it anyway, so don't be selling it to me. But if this looks fake though. Is this trend? Do you rate this?
No, it looks fake. It was TK Maxx.
Oh yeah.
Straight.
TK Maxx ain't fake though, I swear.
No, it's not, but it looks like it came out of TK Maxx.
It looks Amazon, man. It looks like it come from that website Shein, innit?
I think it's the fit of it, it's the colour.
It looks spooky. It looks suspect.
Yeah, it looks sus, like.
Was this Fendi and Versace?
Yeah.
I don't wear Versace still. I don't like Fendi either. I think they're both just like dead. They're finished, man.
Why don't I think
They're dead, man. Fendi looks too freshy, like uncle-ish.
No, but it's what you're seeing though.
All I'm seeing is uncle clothes from there. All I'm seeing is uncle clothes. Like, I've never gone past Fendi and think, raw, let me go back. Like, it's just bare uncle
You
clothes.
saw the runways though.
Hmm?
You saw the runways. And like,
I ain't there though, innit? I ain't on the runway though. So I'm saying lucky for some, innit? You're living that lifestyle, innit?
like, just look at the
Inshallah, you can send us email, management, we can come through, innit? But right now we're here and it's uncled out, you get me? Yo, man, make sure you go check out the new tape, Cold Feet, man, out now on all streaming platforms. Rah.